Hello everybody, this is Dr.G.P. Sudhakar, Professor of Management from Hyderabad, India. Right, in this specific video, I am going to explain you about what is a decision. What is a decision? See, basically in a day-to-day business organization, so many decisions are being taken at different levels in the organization. Right, even management takes decisions, individuals also take decisions related to several matters in a business organizations, right? So as part of this specific video, we are going to discuss what is the definition of a decision, followed by what are the different types of decisions being taken in a business organization. For example, strategic decisions, tactical decisions, operational decisions. Followed by, we will see what is the decision making process usually, what is the typical decision making process in general. Right, these aspects we are going to discuss as part of this specific video. Right, see, basically when we say decision, decision means it is about deciding about the action to be taken from set of alternatives based on the organizational context or the problem in the situation, right? See, basically, I repeat once again, decision is it is deciding about the action to be taken from set of alternatives based on the organizational context or problem in the situation, right? So basically decision, right? Decisions are of different types. See, decisions are being taken by both managers and also the employees, right? So let us see what are the different types of decisions and what is the nature of these kind of decisions. We will see, right? First one is strategic decision. See, basically strategic decision means, strategic decisions are having huge scope is large for strategic decisions. Scope is large. That is, they are having wider scope, wider impact also. Strategic decisions impact more number of people in the organization, more number of business processes in the organization. Strategic decisions impact more number of people, more number of business processes in the organization. They impact more number of stakeholders in the business organization. Strategic decisions, right? Strategic decisions require more information to be, to take strategic decision. To take strategic decision, more information is required. Strategic decisions are being taken by the top management. It impacts wider number of people, more number of people in the organization. Sometimes strategic decisions even change the entire direction of the organization. Sometimes strategic decisions even change the entire direction of the organization. Sometimes they change the organizational policies and principles. Sometimes, right, strategic decisions, sometimes they change even organizational culture also, right? So like these strategic decisions have got a different, wider scope, wider impact on more number of people in the organization. They change the direction of the organization. These are decisions taken by the top management using a lot of information in the organization, right? So now let's move on and learn about what is the tactical decision. Tactical decision. Right, you see, basically tactical decisions are related to, these scope is, medium level scope. Tactical decisions are having medium level scope. They impact programs and projects in the organization. They impact programs and projects in the organization. Their scope is, their scope, it is limited to the project teams or the program teams in the organization. Tactical decisions, right? So they affect the different project scheduling. Sometimes tactical decisions require change management in the programs, change management in the projects as well. Tactical decisions, and also tactical decisions are to be taken in line with the strategic plan. Tactical decisions are to be taken in line with the strategic plan. So like these tactical decisions are taken by the middle level management. Tactical decisions are taken by the middle level management. They impact the programs and projects of the organization, right? Now let's move on and see the third type of decisions, that is operational decisions. See, operational decisions are related to day-to-day scheduling of the tasks. Day-to-day scheduling of the tasks, right? They don't require more information. Strategic decisions, the tactical, these operational decisions with little information can be taken. Operational decisions can be taken with little information. They don't require huge information. They are related to the day-to-day scheduling, day-to-day taking. They are taken by the supervisors or entry-level managers. Operational decisions are being taken by the supervisors or entry-level managers. And also operational decision should be taken by keeping project plan in mind. What is the project plan? In line with that only we have to take a operational decision, right? Are the what is the program plan? In line with that only we have to take a operational decision, right? So its scope is limited. It impacts fewer number of people, 2 people or 3 people, like that. Operational decision, it is related to the scheduling of the tasks, scheduling of the activities. These kind of decisions will be there related to day-to-day operations, right? So like this, different decisions being taken in an organization are having different scope. It impacts, the type of the decision decides what is the impact in the organization, whether it is more number of people, more number of business processes, or limited number of people, limited number of business process. It depends on the what is the type of the decision being taken in the organization, right? Now let's move on, learn about what is the decision making process. Decision making process is basically to take a decision. First, what is that we have to do? First, we have to collect the facts. We have to collect the facts, right? So next, what can we do? We have to analyze the environment. That is, what is the internal environment, what is the external environment, we have to analyze. First, collect the facts, uh, assess the environment, analyze the environment, internal environment and external environment. Then we have to identify certain alternative solutions for the problem identified. Alternative solutions. Then evaluate each alternative by keeping organizational goal in mind. Whichever is the alternative fits closely with the organizational goal, choose that specific alternative and convert that specific alternative into a decision. Once you implement the decision in the organization, evaluate the decision and find out the impact in the organization. Like that, decision making process has got different several steps, starting with collecting the facts and figures, next analyzing the environment, finding out the alternatives, choosing the best alternative in line with the project goal or organizational goal. Next, implementing that specific chosen alternative, assessing the feedback. So like this, different steps are there in a decision making process. For example, Toyota US, for example, operational decisions being taken at Toyota. For example, similarly, strategic decisions being taken at Novartis, a pharmaceutical company. Like this, decisions are taken at different levels in the organization, and decisions are having certain scope, and their impact also is got certain, whether it is large impact or limited impact. The type of the decision will decide in a business organization, right? Thank you everybody.